We broke Grok with some Russian language.
It's the first time this happens.
Another week, another massive news in AI, and this week from Grok. Elon Musk just launched Grok Studio and it's free. People already building entire browser games and they're wild. There's a whole thread of things that are built on Grok: code execution, game generation, real-time Google Drive collab on Grok Studio. Basically going through things that are possible. Pac-Man game that made on Grok, made those before on Rosebud. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does actually.
We got some meteor dodging game, not bad. Can now run Python directly, also great. Browser-based Pong with custom assets, looks pretty fun. Again, had this on Rosebud for a while. Virus Blaster game, okay, that's something. Space Flapper game, pretty cool. And another one, single prompt ping pong game in browser. So we're gonna test it out, see how it compares to what we have at Rosebud AI. This is Kier as usual with Jason. Hi, Jason.
Hey, everyone.
I know, Jason, that you already tried a couple of prompts. This looks pretty cool.
This was just a few prompts I did right before the stream. Have a couple people walking around, pretty good lighting. It didn't take too long. I have this here as well, simple Pong, nice skybox. And then we have simple flight sim with UFO. Grok can be used for 3D. Just have to make sure you ask for it.
How can you iterate on your games on Grok?
It seems like Grok is actually trying to make it easier. You can now have the game just right away without even asking for anything. It just puts in the preview. So it loads all the modules you need, like 3JS or whatever, and then it just runs it right away so you can see what you're doing. And then if you want to iterate and add more, you can just say it in the chat, which is a lot easier than what you had to do before.
All right, so what if we try to recreate the same games you made just now on Grok, but on Rosebud AI? We should also just iterate and see how much better we can make them on either platform.
Sure, let's do that. I'll switch over to rosebud.ai. We have our prompt bar right here and get you started right away. Make a cool flight sim where a UFO flies over a forest. I'm gonna say great lighting and effects. There we go. I'll try a few of those. Each time we try something, there'll be differences so we can see which one of the three looks the best. All right. So we have already decently looking UFO.
That's actually a better looking UFO. Yeah,
I like it. Yeah. Lots of trees, pretty good shadows. We're spinning too much, but we fixed that.
Oh, we have another one on Rosebud AI. This one looks way more spooky. I actually like this one more. This is nice. So it's like ready to abduct someone. I can see the...
Exactly, yeah. Just add some cows and then add some...
Let's do it. Hey, let's actually do cow abduction. Let's do it on Grok. Let's do it on Rosebud AI.
Okay, so head back to Grok. I'm going to ask Grok to add some cows that we can abduct. There you go. See if Grok can handle that. And also type that for Rosie.
Yeah, so we got this. I don't really see cows. Oh, I see a cow. Okay.
How do I get him? What do I do? Oh, E went close to cows, it says. Okay, so let's see. Go down here. Is it?
Wow.
I keep resetting. Go on. Let's get him. Got him. Yeah, go on. Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, not bad. Yeah. It's a bit hard to control it. Okay, let's check our Rosebud one. Rosie said, okay, she hasn't implemented the abduction logic yet. So we have our cows. I see them. Right there.
I think these cows look better.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
The cows in the previous one, they kind of look more like sheep. Just pure white.
Yeah, these cows actually do look better. Yeah. I asked her to make it I can actually look around so I can change direction, and also she needs to implement the abduction. We also have this one. She also said we need to implement the abduction mechanic, so let's do that. She's working in steps.
Approaching your game step by step is actually best. Adding too many things at the same time can break the game. And it's not like this game is fully functional, looking at the things the UFO is doing, but I mean, it's impressive. It's the UFO stuff, you know? This is the abducting version. Where are the cows? They're all abducted already. Also, the shadow is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I do like that. Yeah, that's good. Make there be way more cows. Okay, now we have more.
Wow, that's a herd of cows now.
I can abduct now, so nice.
That's so funny. Wow.
To complete the abduction. Yeah, there you go.
And what we got on Grok, it also looks okay. It does the same thing, but...
The vibe of the Rosebud one, I like it, so it fits. Sure.
Let's say make it prettier and let's see what it does.
Make the visuals way better. Let's see that. Let's see what Grok does with that.
What if we say the same thing now on Rosebud AI 2 and see if that works? I don't know. Yeah. Even though the visuals are pretty great already.
Yeah, let's see. All right, so we got...
Oh no, I think Grok broke its own game. Yep. I actually know this bug. It happens. It's a glitch where just the game starts over and over again. Let's see if it can actually fix it.
I just asked right now. The game is resetting me instantly. Stop the resetting.
Looking at the code, right? It's all single file. Is just rewriting the whole thing, or?
It does look like it's resetting the whole thing all the way to the HTML. Yeah, on Rosebud, the code will be split into multiple files, so you don't have to wait for the entire file to be rewritten like this each time.
So it's much faster, and you have more capabilities of building a much larger game, selecting different files to target by AI. Whoa. Okay, so this is the prettier version of the game on Rosebud AI. Wow. Okay, so this actually got even more pretty. Wow.
Yeah, nighttime's improved.
I think the abduction could be improved.
We could ask specifically what we want. Maybe
Like, it should be like a shining light down on the cow,
be
you
a
know, when it's just
shining
lifting.
beam on the cow instead of the low quality current effect.
Okay,
Let's see.
try it. Oh, you see? Oh, no.
It's not underneath the.
Yeah.
It's describing in detail what's going on. All right, so I think we are good. Let's go on top of this cow. Yep, that's an
Wow.
That's a cooler effect.
It's shooting directly into the cow. Wow. You
Yeah.
have to hold it. You have to hold
Yeah.
it. No, the other cow
Sure.
falling.
Okay, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Wow.
Nice.
This is great. What about the Grok?
A bit better grass.
We tried to make it prettier. These cows are actually not
Yeah.
just white anymore, right?
Yeah.
So
They have,
Nice.
yeah, they do have black and white now, so nice. I can't actually abduct right now. Hold on. I think abducting was removed. Uh-oh.
oh no. Bring abducting back.
Give Grok a chance to have a cool abduction effect. Well, Grok also said cow animation. When abducted, the cow will move smoothly upward. Okay, let's see. Oh, we've got an error. That's an odd name for the WebGL renderer. You see that?
Oh
What
wow.
happened?
It is Russian.
Yeah.
That's funny. Why is it Russian there?
I don't know.
I know some. Well, it actually means that someone brought WebGL renderer. Like, What?
Maybe it's like imported.
yeah, I guess imported.
He just pasted that error for Grok, but Grok is thinking about it.
We broke Grock with some Russian
Oh, wow.
language.
Yeah.
Good. Maybe we actually did. Wow.
Yeah, maybe. It's the first time this happens.
This is the actual demo versus X posts.
Master, maybe refresh the page. Okay, I'll stop this one. Let's see if we can resubmit it.
Another chance for you, Grock.
2 hours later.
I think this is unfortunately the end for the Grock game, and we tried to fix it, but Grock is simply not able to do that. We tried many times. We waited for enough time. If you have something like this on Rosebud AI, you're definitely going to be able to fix an issue. That was a quick fun test of Grock Studio and how you can build games. As you see, the game on Rosebud AI looks much better. It can fix any issues you get, even if it involves some Russian words. The visuals are better, rendering is better, animations are better. You can iterate easier on Rosebud AI. Since it's a tool that's built specifically for game making, we have multi-file and all other neat features for game development. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
See y'all.